Welcome to Saffron Stays Sarvam, where every corner has story to tell.
Come, we'll take you around.
When we were kids, we used to draw drawing. So there were several drawings, right? You used to draw something else, I used to draw something else. But most of the times, I used to draw one picture which just got stuck in my mind. That is a lush green lawn, trees, birds, river, and then mountains, right? And then there is a small house where I'm relaxing over there. And that picture got stuck in my mind. When I become old, I thought कुछ तो बनाते हैं, कुछ ऐसा करते हैं जो मैंने बचपन में देखा था वो आके जाके जब अगर मैं कंस्ट्रक्ट कर पाऊँ तो ऐसा लगेगा कि यार लाइफ में कुछ कर दिया है. एंड देन विद द फैमिली विद फ्रेंड्स यू कैन कम ओवर हियर एंड रिलैक्स इन द नेचर वेयर देयर इज अ पीस ऑफ माइंड, and the birds are there, mountain again, river, and then this house I have constructed. And after that, whenever I used to enter over here, there is a smile on my face, and that smile gives me everything that okay, I have achieved something in my life. So when we started building this house, the idea and the concept was to build a house, as I said, right, to close to the nature, close to the river and mountain, birds, and right. And then on top of it, I was very clear on my thought process that let's not have a G+1, that's ground plus 1 plus 2. We all live in that, concrete jungle where there are, high-rise buildings and all. So I just wanted to create a structure which is, on the ground floor. Everything should be connected with each other. Each room is connected with each other. And then when we thought about it, she liked my idea. And then she's also of the same opinion that okay, let's do it. The second thought is that let's not have too many rooms. राइट, लेट्स हैव अ होमली फीलिंग. एंड उसके बाद में ऐसा था कि जितना हम लोग नेचर के पास जा सके एंड इन्जॉय कर सकते, जो अपने ओल्ड एज में हमारे जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स थे, दे यूज्ड टू एन्जॉय दिस लाइफ, राइट. सो वी कैन नॉट क्रिएट द सेम पिक्चर बट देन एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू गेट इन क्लोज इन टू इट. सो फिर हम लोगों ने सोचा कि यार स्टार्ट करते हैं तो पहला तो चीज़ वो एयर ही रखने का है. It's not closed one. So then the concept called as, so I'm a big fan of South Indian construction and art, right? So I thought यार South Indian इसमें courtyard is a very common thing. So when I was searching on lot of videos, YouTube and all, and then I like अरे हाँ courtyard तो घर में हो सकता है, but यार courtyard होने के बाद में ऊपर में यार open रखने का है, because I just wanted to have that sun coming inside, moonlight and all, right? तो वो एक concept था, वो हम लोगों को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. एंड देन हम लोगों ने सोचा कि चलो ये करके देखते हैं. तो कोर्टयार्ड, दैट्स द बॉर्न आइडिया ऑफ कोर्टयार्ड. एंड कोर्टयार्ड में फिर हमने को नेचुरल प्लांट रहने थे, हम लोग को आर्टिफिशियल कुछ भी लगाने का नहीं था. सो वी थॉट दैट विल हैव अ नेचुरल प्लांट ओवर देयर. देन द सेकेंड आइडिया वाज टू हैव अ डोर, राइट. आई वाज वेरी क्लियर ऑन माई थॉट दैट लेट्स नॉट हैव अ प्लाईवुड वाला डोर. Let's bring a door which is heritage, which has its own history, the story to tell, and then it's coming from, as I said, I'm a fan of South India. So I brought that door which is 105 years old from Coimbatore, which and it's around 600 kg. We got that door, we put that door as a main door, and after that we thought that we should have a natural cooling. So when I was kid, I used to stay at my मामा के घर में जाता था, तो वहाँ पे मिट्टी का घर हुआ करता, एंड इट हैज़ नेचुरल कूलिंग इफेक्ट. और वहाँ पे ऐसा बाम्बूज का ग्रिल था उनके घर में, तो दैट ऑल्सो स्टक इन माई माइंड. सो फ्रॉम देयर वी हैव दिस विंडोज़, यू कैन लुक एट इट, राइट. ये विंडोज जो है उसमें जो एल शेप ईंटें लगी हुई है, दैट आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम दिल्ली. आई वॉन्ट अ नेचुरल AC in this house, so I have created this terracotta window where when air is coming, the water droplets are there. It gives you that cooling effect naturally in this house, and the entire house is cooled. So this is a very unique thing which is in the dining area.
We wanted to create a space that would bring people together.
करो राम, पत्तियां बुझा दो।
शिल्पा, बारिश हो रही है, मस्त गरम गरम चाय बना के लेके आया मैं, चलो पीते हैं मस्त बाहर।
So it's May, and can you imagine it is pouring? Just take a look here. Well, during the rainy season and thereafter up until February, you would see the entire backwater coming right up till the mango tree, and that's really a sight to watch out for.
When we constructed this home, after that I thought whoever contributed in my life with their blessing, I was able to do this such a beautiful property near to nature. So I thought that I have to give something back to them so that it will remain generation to generation. And then what I did, me and Shilpa, what we thought, we just plant trees and then we'll put names over there with our uncle, aunties, then dad, mom, Shilpa's side, her dad, mom, then people who have worked to build this house, they put their efforts, sweat into it. वो लोग भी जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स जिन्होंने हमारे यहाँ काम किया, उनके वाइफ को और उनके फैमिली को मैंने बुलाया था, हम लोगों ने बुलाया था. एंड देन वी प्लांटेड ट्रीज एंड देन दोज ट्रीज आर देयर नेक्स्ट टू द स्विमिंग पूल. दे आर मैंगोज, देन बनानास, देन पेरू, ये सब ट्रीज हम लोगों ने लगवाया और वो लोगों को भी बड़ी खुशी मिली और वो देख के हम लोग भी बड़ी खुशी मिली कि वी हैव गिवन देम फ्रॉम नेचर, वी प्लांटेड to create something with their blessing.